thing I got out of it that I didn't expect was a lot of the coastal navigation, especially without using a chart plotter, just figuring out where you are with bearings and things like that.
Okay, my insane nav posse, where are we?
Getting a fix.
Oh, it's getting a fix. All right. This is the insane nav posse in action. Patiently waiting for the first bearing.
206 on the buoy.
It's 206 on the first buoy. Looks like they're going to take a second bearing right now. And she's got a good sighting. She's going for it. She's lining up that lubber line. And she's looking over it.
57 on the lighthouse.
She's got 57 on the lighthouse. And
Thanks.
Peter's taking notes.
All right, now the math.
Now the math. All right, very good. He's taking those numbers to the chart. Oh!
That's at 6:44.
It's a great time, isn't it?
It's a great time.
I can see it now. There it is. It's on the chart. I say, are you waiting patiently for the position?
I am. I wouldn't say patiently. I'm on the edge of my seat.
Oh, look at that seat. He's definitely at the edge of it.
It's like opening a Christmas present.
It is like opening a Christmas present.
It is. A Christmas fix.
Christmas. Every day. 15, 20, 30 times a day. Where are we?
Here we go.
Look at that.
I hope that's good. So.
Confidence level on a scale of 1 to 10 in that position?
I might have taken the bearings wrong.
No.
There's always an opportunity, another opportunity.
That's right.
Right now, perhaps. With some other navies.
It's time to tack. We've decided we're getting a little close to these rocks over here. And the team is getting ready, and he's on the windward sheet, and he's got an override. He's got an sort of about. The team is tacking, and they're doing a fantastic job just sitting there. Haul away, watch that override.
Yep.
There you go. Take one more wrap around the winch. We need 3 at least. Remember the palming technique.
Ah, yes.
Ah, yes. Full and by. Keep sails full. Keep sails as close to the wind as you can.
You can head up.
Yeah.
So you're going to determine our course by the wind.
Yep.
Back one's still down.
Everybody now, on 3. What are you doing?
I want to find out where that lighthouse is.
Oh, all right. Which one?
Mm-hmm. The red one, the big one.
Oh, I like those hand signals.
220. 221. 222.
You getting all these running fixes?
223.
I'm writing them all down.
We're doing the running fix here.
225.
Excellent.
226. 227. 228. Someone writing these down? 230.
All of them.
We need the time.
231. Oh, we didn't get the time. Oh, they're all bad.
All right, start again.
It's not gonna. Okay, start again. Yeah, here we go.
Someone else get the time.
So we just decided that our 2 options were this right here, Harbor of Refuge off of Point Judith, or Block Island, the Great Salt Pond, which sounds exciting to me, don't you think?
Yes, that was our consensus.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty special. Block Island. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Rain, then sunset. What's down here? If only this camera had an olfactory sensor. Wow, it got hot down here. Wow!
All right.
What is that? Intense.
Pizza pies.
All right, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Get this party started. Sail downwind, broad reach. About 15, 20 knots maybe. Let's go see how things look up on deck. We do.
We're way down here.
All right. We need to make a correction for that.
Maybe even heading as far high up as Watch Hill.
Mm-hmm.
Put us about there.
Look at these hands, people. Look at these hands. Oh, those are the hands of a master helmsman. Look at him go. Left, right. Can't decide which way he wants to go. It's all over the place.
I don't know if I'm coming or going.
We struck the sail and it was fantastic. What was your take on it?
I just had the best time. Best time I've ever had striking a sail. What I learned is that I can do it, you know. I have more to learn, more experience to gain, but I can totally do this, you know, and I really like it. I like traveling this way. And
Very exciting. Just staring in Joshua Cove and making great time. Just threading the needle here. It's been quite exciting.
Might shift just a little bit. There might be one little gust that shifts us off our course, and that's called getting headed. So now this is your close hauled course, when 5 minutes ago it was here, right?
Ready. Comes over.
Remember, you want to take some wraps off that winch. So you want it to pop. There you go. That was nice.
That was really nice.
Keep it going right out.
And now come right to a close reach. All right, we're one boat length away.
All right.
And let's stop the boat here.
All right. So let's.
If you could head up a little bit more.
That's good. So Peter, try not to let that go too crazy, but we don't want it to catch wind. Now, what are we looking at?
We're looking at what's the name of this lighthouse? It's called. It's on the other side of the chart reef. Stratford Shoal Middle Ground.
Very nice.
It is. It's a really beautiful kind of old Gothic old lighthouse. I think the Adams family lived there at one point. Fortress of Solitude.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good.
All right, we got a bearing on the lighthouse.
I'll tell you what the bearing is.
Just a second. Settling.
Acetylene.
All right, the lighthouse is at 285. 285.
Fun. Just gliding down Long Island Sound here. Calm day. What's for dinner?
A little pasta.
Looks beautiful. Gosh almighty. It's a haul of discovery. We just keep hauling and discovering things.
Keep going, haul away.
Sailing under main, jib, and staysail. Down. Coffee in hand. That's how good he's gotten at steering.
That's right.
He can drink and drive at this point. It's the final morning, and you're feeling like
It's been a great trip.
that's it.
Yeah, I wish it was 9 days longer.
9 days longer.
9
All
days
right,
longer.
we can. Want to do a 15-day trip?
Let's do it.
You guys want to do transatlantic?
I would totally do it.
Oh my
You
God,
would.
that'd be great. If that trip happened, I would totally do it. That would be great.
But I said it first.
That's true. Jeremy's got
You got first dibs.
I got dibs.